Well, it's no secret, this Atlantic tropical season is expected to be above average in terms of the amount of storms and potentially intensity. You look at the forecast from Colorado State. No, we've talked about this, both forecasting above average. Now, if we look at the Atlantic Basin, so far, just 3 named storms. Here we are at late July, and that's fairly unusual, albeit Beryl was a very strong hurricane. As we take a look at some of the facts that we know right now, there's only been 6 named storms in the northern hemisphere, so that's not including just the Atlantic, but the Pacific as well. That's the lowest number of named storms, that's 39 miles an hour or higher, since 1969. But here's what we know about 1969. That produced Camille, one of the most devastating hurricanes of all time, and we still have a long ways to go to put that into perspective. Let's look ahead to August. Where do we typically see formation in August? Well, we're getting later into the year, and so you start to expand that development region all the way out into the central Atlantic, all the way up the Gulf Stream. Also, it is much more likely that we see development here in the Gulf, in the Caribbean. There's plenty to watch. Right now, the biggest inhibitor of development is that Saharan air layer. That'll be something to watch here as we move forward.